but I'm living alone because my siblings, mostly my brother and my sister, used to be perpetually drunk. So my mom decided that I should live alone before I finish my school. I was studying in Mjini Primary School, and then I did my KCPE. I got sponsored by MUWASCO. And then I'm from Dikwe location, but now we are in Mokoyo, where I live alone. And then MUWASCO has been sponsoring me since I joined Form 1, and they took me as their student. Then I have been struggling a lot, like financially, everything in life. So they took me, then they decided to help me to actualize life, then to try to be a better person in life, and to do what I can so that I can be a better person, to have something that I can offer to the family, to my family, and to the community.
We also support poor students, students who would have never gone to school. Currently, we have students that we are supporting who are in the universities and who are in high schools. How do we pick them? We work with local leadership and Nyumba Kumi and the religious groups for us to get the most needed. And I must thank the board, because courtesy of that, our legacy will not be remembered on the pipes we developed in Maranga, but the lives we touched. When you educate a poor student and ensure that he's comfortable, then he'll be able to turn the life of the community around them. Currently, those who are in the university, when they come for long holidays, we give them internships and they're able to get pocket money as they go back to school.